guys, it's your girl Chrissy Ann, and welcome back to my channel, or should I say Chrissy Marie, because I mean that is really my name, Chrissy Marie. Hey you guys, this is Chrissy Ann. Welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I am going to do a mini quick makeup tutorial. I'm more going to gear towards, you know, making your cheekbones very high. So, you know, creating that nice high cheekbone in your cheeks. So let's get into it, guys. So I have already did my eyebrows. I've added on my concealer. I've added a little bit of a setting powder to smoothing out my makeup from any flaws or anything. Just give me a nice soft finish. So now I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty foundation, and I'm going to apply it with my brush. And you guys, I like to add at least two layers of the foundation onto my face, just because I like a nice very clean, very sharp finish to my face. And you guys, what inspired me to do this look is because I had an Instagram, one of my friends on Instagram, she's like, you have really high cheekbones. And I'm thinking I do, but I kind of create it. It's like an illusion. So you guys will see here how I am just going to create that illusion for the high cheekbone. And if you guys go back to any of my previous videos, you will actually see step by step what I use on my face when I do start my makeup, or how I do my makeup tutorial. I will put her link here how I do my eyebrows, because that's I get the most compliments on my brows all day long.
Your eyebrows are on point, yes. So yeah, guys.
You'll see this at the top where I have linked that over for the videos for my brows. But so you guys, we're just gonna add on the foundation. So yesterday, you guys, I went to Sephora because I thought Miss Riri, she's coming out with this, you know, new concealer, you guys. And so I'm thinking okay, they're promoting it. It's out in the open. Everybody know about it. You know, so let me go cop me one, because I seen one of the YouTubers two of them do a review on it, you guys. Come to find out, Miss Rihanna lied, okay, Fenty Beauty? I don't know why you guys put out that promo about the concealer and it's not even available. And I don't know how these other YouTubers are getting the concealer, and I don't even have it yet. So I was highly upset. So I went, you guys, to Sephora, and I actually purchased me Urban Decay. This is more one of their holiday editions. They had a good little sale on some of their makeup. So this was about 10 bucks, which is normally about 15 for the travel size. It is a setting spray, so all-nighter setting spray, you guys. It's cherry scented. Granted, I smell no bit of cherry on there. Yeah, this has a little scent of cherry. And so this is supposed to last you guys all day. Keep your makeup flawless, on point. And if anytime you feel as if you need to touch up, if you have oily skin like me, you can use blotting sheets just to blot the oiliness out off of your face, you guys. So once I'm done applying my foundation and my setting spray, I'm going to go in with my contour palette, you guys. This is where the magic is going to start, you guys, where I'm really going to heighten my cheeks to make it seem like I have some surgery done, some work done, y'all. Because you don't have to get surgery. You can just be natural and just make it yourself, okay? So I'm going to take the darker color, which is more of my contour color, you guys. I'm going to go along the bottom of my cheeks, just to kind of give me a nice little structure, a nice little shape, you guys, down below on my face. I'm going to show you details of what I'm going to do to heighten my cheekbones to make them just nice and flawless. Just to make them high cheekbones. Just to make a high cheekbone, you guys. So I'm going to take my sculpt here, you guys. It's a little bit lighter than this color, granted, because I'm getting ready to go into my inner cheeks. So you always want to do a lighter color, unless you are, of a different, culture, you have a lighter skin, then you can go with a darker tone. But if you are a darker tone, you always want to go with a light color, especially when you're going to go in to do any type of contouring, okay? So you can use powder, or you can use a stick, whatever you guys want to do, go for it. I'm going to use the powder, it works a little bit better for me. And I'm going to just move my mouth over this way. Okay, you guys, next what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna contour my nose, first of all. My nose is already slim, but hey, it doesn't hurt to add a little bit of extra. So we're gonna go back in with that contour. And I'm gonna go in with my setting powder one more time. Well, first of all, we gotta contour. The girl forgot to contour her face. So you guys, we're gonna go in. I am using my Lancome number 20, the color Praline, you guys, a lighter shade. You always want to use like 2 to 3 colors lighter than your shade. This is part of the process, you guys. When you're doing your contour. Oh, sorry. So normally, you guys, I would do that contour before I would actually add on this palette, but that's okay. We're gonna go in and improvise. Alright, you guys, so now we're gonna go back in with our contour palette just to kind of touch up some of the spaces where we did do that highlight, because you want your highlight to pop out, but you don't want it to be the main factor of it all. So next I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. setting powder. This is a white setting powder, you guys. It's going to help out with a lot of things, you guys. The creases from me using a more liquid instead of a powder to contour, it's going to help along with that. So I'm going to use that, and I'm just going to gently glide it across my face, you guys, until it's smooth. Let's get into it. As you guys see, it's starting to form. It's starting to get there. All right, you guys. So next I'm going to go in with a nice color for the cheek. Now you don't have to do a color. I like to do a color. It makes it look really nice. We're going to use a slanted brush, you guys. Palette, our Morphe highlighter actually is actually the color Spark. We're going to take our slanted brush again, you guys. Glide it, little tap, and just go across your face. That's going to give you this nice definition. I've had this for years. When I say years, I probably was in my early 20s. And I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit onto my dish here, you guys. I'm going to take a fan brush by 40. This brush number is Y13. And I'm just going to gently coat it with some of this shimmer. And we're going to go across. And we're just going to Alright, you guys, so once you are done, your cheekbones should look just like this. Yeah, guys, so what I pretty much did, you guys, I had to come out to the car because that lighting in there was horrible and I hate that lighting. So if you guys watch the video, it may not be the best, but hey. But yeah, you guys, once you're done adding on your highlight and everything like that, you can go as towards your normal routine for doing your makeup. If you want to do eyeshadow, you can do eyeshadow. I just wanted to show you guys the nice high cheekbones. Alright guys, if you are not subscribed to my channel and you're curious about me, take a look at my page, you guys. Yes, check your girl out. And if you like what you see, you guys click that subscribe button on the side and the bell so you are alerted when I upload videos. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye, loves.